Did you know there's a volcano so dangerous that experts believe it could erupt at any moment? Welcome to Mount Vesuvius, the same volcano that buried Pompeii under ash nearly 2,000 years ago. Today, over 3 million people live dangerously close to its slopes. If it erupts like it did before, entire cities could be wiped out in hours. Scientists monitor it every day, measuring gases and tiny quakes deep below the surface. But the real question is, are we ready for the next big blast? History shows that volcanoes can wake up suddenly and change the world overnight. So would you live near a ticking time bomb? Drop a bag if you'd stay, or if you'd run.